Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today we're going to be doing a really vibrant pink look. It is Valentine's Day month, so every day leading up to Valentine's Day I'm going to be doing some Valentine's Day looks. I'm only going to probably record a couple for my channel here, so make sure you follow me on Instagram, Beauty by Yolanda, to see all of the looks that I create, to give you some ideas of what you may want to wear on the day of love. I hope you guys are enjoying this content that I've been bringing you guys. Don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe. Hey, subscribe to my channel if you guys are not subscribed. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Alright beauty, so we did a brow tint. My brows are looking snatched right now, so I'm just going to actually clean them up with some concealer. Going in with my Cookie Concealer from Too Faced. This is the Fruit Cosmetics primer in the color Almond. Alright beauty, so we're going to go into the Boom Drastic palette from Diamond Lane Cosmetics to start this look. This is how the palette looks. Really pretty. And I'm going to go into Fresh Princess and tap that right into the crease and in the outer V. Then blend the additional part that's left to the front. Now we're going to go into, we went into this color here. Now we're going to go into this color here. And I'm going to blend that right above the color that we just put, right here. Tap that right above. Back into the first color, Fresh Princess. Blend it right at the top. That looks good. Alright y'all, now we're going to go into Blow Pop. I'm going to put that all over the lid. Alright, that is pretty, y'all. Now I have this pink pigment here. I'm going to actually add a little bit of the pigment just to make it even more neon. Alright beauties, and the pigment that we use for this is EA Beauty pigment. And this is the pink one. It doesn't have a name, that's what I was looking for. But this is from EA Beauty. Alright, so this look is going to be pretty simple. We're not going to like do it too crazy. So we're going to go ahead and start on the face. We're going to go into our moisturizer. You guys know. You guys know my matte oil control lotion from e.l.f. Then I'm going to go in with my Jelly Pop primer from e.l.f. Let's set this primer going in with the Chalk powder from the crayon case. Our foundation, let's do Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation in 430W. Now we're going to go into Too Faced Born This Way Cookie. e.l.f. Cosmetics Rich Chocolate. Then Winter Rose from P. Louise. And now I'm going in with the chalk dust powder and the letter A to set the face. So now we're going to go in with brows. I'm using the Hype Beauty brow pencil. Alright, now I'm going to go into my flower powder from Beauty Bakery. Now it's time to contour. We're going to use our contour book from Fruits Cosmetics, and it is called the Blended Fruits. Now we're going to brighten up and go into Cassava. Alright, so now we're going to work under the eye. I think we're going to go into Now Later right here. I'm going to add a little shimmer under the eye. I'm going to go into Bubble Lashes for the inner corner. Add a little blow pop underneath here. And then I'm going to go back into my base. I just want to add a little bit of base to my eye and then add some more pigment. Alright, we're going to go into our Inglot 77 liner. Then we're going to go ahead and line just a little line on the top here. And I'm using my Fruits Cosmetics liner. Alright y'all, we're getting there. Now we're going to go in with the Oma Beauty mascara, and this is in Drama Bomb. think we're going to do the Remy Lashes. These are Remy Lashes from Ardell. And these are the 782s. Alright, let's dust this powder away. Now we're going to go into the blush binder. These two colors to bronze. Alright, now we're going to go into this Hype Beauty blush. Now we're going to do a pink lip with this. I have this big old holiday NYX set, so we're going to use that. There's this really pretty pink color in here. Summer Fruit. And I'm going to line my lips with Lashing Out Glam King. Alright beauty, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial for our first Valentine's Day look, getting into the swing of things. Of course we had to bring you that beautiful bright pink, and I wanted to make sure that it was neon, so that is what we did for this look, and added a glossy lip, and I think it's so beautiful. I'm so here for it. This is such a beautiful, easy look that you can do that will just put a pop to anything that you wear. So I hope that you guys enjoy how this looks. Let me know how you guys feel about this look below. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe. Hey, subscribe to my channel if you guys are not subscribed. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and don't forget to be your own kind of beautiful, because there's only one you. Bye.